Peace. I come in the divine name of Hakim Shabazz Allah. Today's supreme mathematics is knowledge build or destroyed, or being born or born. I see that as the facts that I've accumulated, have become quite acquainted with, that has been perceived or grasped by my mind, which have become a part of my extensive range of correct information on how to order, plan, or direct the construction of righteousness, or the total and complete annihilation of devilishment, which allows me to bring into this realm of reality or existence the knowledge of God to the babies and to the uncivilized. Now that means that I know how to build or destroy depending on any given situation that presents itself, because what I'm going to bring into existence is the truth. The truth that I am the ruler, and I make the rule and live by that rule. For I have the power to rule. I have the power to dominate, because God is the ruler of the universe, the maker and the creator of all that exists within the universe. So he is the ruler of that. But he also lives by that rule, because he knows how to build. He knows how to measure correctly and apply what he has measured correctly accordingly to that situation that has presented itself, to which he had to measure. He knows how to add on, or he knows how to destroy, because that which he brings into existence is going to be complete within its what? Itself. Peace.